Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today, I'm going to help you learn how to use layout for Instagram story. Instagram layout is a new feature that will let you include multiple photos in a single story. The feature will be best for you out there who love making collages with the picture that you love and post it on your story. If you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now here's how to do it. Tap open your Instagram application from your app drawer and make sure you're signed into your account. From your homepage of Instagram, go and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. And then at the top right, tap on the plus button. Go to Story from the bottom menu, and now you'll end up in your camera screen. From your camera screen, you'll be able to see a layout mode at the left-hand side corner. Simply tap it on, and in the sub-menu, you'll be able to see another menu. If you tap that on, you can select several layout options that you'd like to use. You can add up to 6 photos at a time. In my case, let me simply select the layout option right here. And now, as you can see that in my screen, there are 4 boxes appearing on the display. Now go ahead and take a picture by pressing on the big white circle in the bottom of the screen. You can repeat the process until you fill all of the boxes. But if you want to, go to your camera roll and choose an existing picture for making a collage. Tap on the plus icon in blue at the bottom left corner. This will take you to your camera roll. Simply go ahead and select the pictures that you'd like to add as a collage. You can keep adding more, repeating the same process. You can resize the picture by simply pinching your fingers to zoom in or zoom out your picture. And once you've selected enough, tap on the tick mark at the bottom of the screen. As you can see that you have created your layout for Instagram story. Now you can go ahead and add any kind of a filter if you like, make any edits. Once you're happy with your picture, simply tap on your stories at the bottom left corner and you'll be able to use layout for Instagram story. That is how it is done. It's pretty quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more video contents like this. Thank you for watching.